Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Una the hearer, this video I just made that on my own. This one now where she was trying to see spoil Sarah name for this live video, because when you can't see do now, you want to see go where Sarah dey. Sarah thought say enough way. Sarah thought say you be liar. You not they see because when person they do something, we need to they bring them out. Wanna share this video. This one when I they play so. Did I call her here? Is this how to make peace between blood? Is this how to make peace? Even on her live video, she go say, not listen to her. I say you're 28. Ruda, because you're not fun. I make her they call your name. Una not the hearer. Una not the hear when this woman they talk her. I call reason and say, why this woman is like this? Why this woman be like this? More than 2 months, I call the use sense they follow her. She go, why may they push me? Make me and my sister they quarrel. I can't know the kind of person when she be. I don't call the talk about my sister for live video again. Even though person that I know the talk for now observe where more than 2 months, 3 months now. I know they talk to her again. Because I don't notice what thing for her body. If now see Sarah now, I don't know. You go see one that one come beat me. If you see the here, you know see one, you go see call the talk rubbish for here. Make fight come. If you're rubber when you they talk nonsense, call listen to your sister. Because una want they comot her for this mess where she put herself. Oh, what made two sisters settle as she said they talk so more here. Me they talk my video and they verse on my own. They talk my own. She call spoil my mind more and more. Meanwhile, this video, I did not even expect that she's still going to come. I don't play many records. I don't play many videos. When they follow me, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. More than share, guys. Regardez. Share this video.
If you carry one person, you know, say that you really doing something. No. Okay, Sarah have a lot waiting make her the very. I don't feel talk because I tell myself say I don't feel talk Sarah matter because no matter where now picking will be say
una the year if she want like because they say now I just keep her quiet make it they talk. You know why I call one no ga. If I look this video now, I am not talking to you. I am not even talking to her. You must call inside. And now you can't know because why? Sarah don't they prepare her with her pikin. So any platform when I did, she they follow me. This one on my second Facebook when she make this call, when she call in. Because that one don't they tell her the truth. They pepper her and the pikin. She called the find where she want run her. She called the find who want to put. She called the run her and scatter. Since then you not talk her. When they come to your live video, they talk my own. She call put. Now she call color. Now she not call this one. Now she call do that one. Una they hear her voice. I be not be she be that one. On my own live video when she called inside. Now be that. Share this video, my lovely people. I don't miss you. Share it out, my people. When she called inside, now it be this.
When she cried to me, I was spiritually involved. You know, I feel pity. I feel her pains, frustration.
Hey.
So I still tell myself, say, if I come play Sarah audio or come talk about Sarah,
hey,
which help I can't do.
okay.
Mother, big sister.
Okay, now, when you call not like that, which help you call do? Why you call the call put? What be the meaning of this call when you call the call inside the live video? What it could be the meaning? Because it's like did that parabola disorder when they say they worry you, not true too. Because the reason why you are running away from DNA, running away from here, running away from here. Because you don't even remember who give you belly again, you don't even know how to draw, go the you are not running head and scatter. That means that what they say that you will be way. That means it's truth. Like really, it's truth. Because this live video now, I not call her. I was on my own. She called inside just to come and lie. To call and now you cannot say you want talk. The time when that one not talk to you, when Sarah not talk to you, or matter the bay, woman via your when she called the pepper your picky, even bena to a car. On a gualikino, ya call it. You will not see this video, now see say you're quiet, they listen to her. Because who call you for here? And this is the person that just forget that she was calling on my all social media platform. Calling on my social media everywhere. And this is the same person that was lying to people that I don't call her. Hey, I don't call her. What is this? This one I see another one.
I know the kind thing with the warrior. That's why.
Now everybody saw to the worry. This woman. Now everybody saw to the worry. So she know they agree say something don't ever worry for since when they did this life. She know they accept say something they worry when he don't did this, when she don't did this life, she know they accept. She know they accept. Now she don't forget what she called talk for here, when she was trying to cause commotion. Now she come outside, begin to talk another thing. She don't forget. She was calling Kate when you don't know. You they call it one. Nana you want call Africa German first. Nana you want call that one where is there you. A bag where here do I seek for attention everywhere. Nana she want call the seek for attention. And your own day your body. Now you say you be shift. Now you want to talk all matter when it comes to social media. Hey, me no matter way. Because you now they deny say you don't call me. Now maybe they play this record when she be sick come when they talk my live video. She won't cause this square my sister for me. When I go here, you're listening, make sure you're the talk. Are you quiet? Make sure you're the talk. Mona go ask her, have I ever be calling her on social media handle everywhere? If I don't call that woman, I don't go reach 3 times. Make she go bring her. She be now oh, make she bring her because it too plenty. She be I'm bringing her on her because it's too plenty. Shame and disgrace fall on you. Share this video, guys. Shame and disgrace fall on you. I tell you, say, now me drop you. I'm the one that puts you on the ground and dust you like Byron. More where we get cool. So you don't need to cry. It's not by force to be with someone. Not by force to stay with somebody. I'm the one that dropped you. So why are you not crying? Because why I play this another record again, my people? One are not verse. Why they play? My darling sister, not verse. Sarah. Because she thought they go on media and they say, Vera, not call you. Vera, not lie you. Because when she they seek for Sarah attention. When she called the tell me not still good again and Sarah called still good. Now maybe they play this exactly part so. Because she don't still forget, say, she called for here for this exactly video. Share this video, guys. She don't still forget, say, she even called my live video spoiling my sister for me. And this is the person that say, if you not said to her, go appeal, if you not said to, well, that's not lie. When she did on her live video, she gonna talk, say, not mine, amo. Now she want to call your name, not mine, amo. When I call reason, I did not say, no. They say he get person for UK, and they know they see. They had her own. Why you go call be saying that my house she walk on they use brain, call they put for fraud, they take the too rubbish. I decided to say no. I stop it for talking about my blood on live video. And people call me say you don't need to do this, you are bigger than this. I stop it. Wanna go check her. When she come see that one hot her for head. That one called the Isha for body. He called the pepper her. Like say tomorrow, no day. You don't know how she want to do. More than me tell her make it go bring DNA come. Well, you know they ever get problem. You don't get problem now. They say me go breed DNA. You are running here to scatter. Go breed DNA. Ulehia. You there, Papa, while I come outside. He talk. You the run they go. We go play all of them today. Please share this video, guys. Give thumbs up on YouTube. Mona yell.
If you like anything notable, I will never talk to her.
Hey. But she said if you rubber make it a cause.
Not really good. What she did do me say she can't put the pain on me, and I don't betray her in any way. I don't betray her in any way.
Una hear what she talk? She na wait till they tell una just now. She said she can't put the pain on me, and I not do her anything. She not here because that period she was even want me maybe call they beat her for. Una hear her? I know the lie. Because why that one the mama, cause that one said my sister don't know say that evil. So now I'm going to make it call they follow all social media platform up and down. When she take on, I hear what she talk. She said she can't put the pain on me. I not get what I do her. Hey, wahone, una hear what I tell you answer because. If they found one call, maybe come aside now, maybe I call the cousin, or maybe because I call the do video. They beat that one. And they do my for you now, he call put. I go to do that one, he go call put. If they always they beat her, he go call put for my platform. Coco Rita, that's what they call. Bessie, that's what they call. Anybody when they beat her, that's what they call. I still go breed the one way for sick off for Gladys one. He plenty. Una yera. Share this video, guys. Yet it tell everywhere.
Because she knows, say, I get her audio.
Hey!
I don't betray her. Even audio of 5 years ago, I they get them not to talk or say that own way just be like yesterday for year.
Una de yeah?
Played it. I've never said this to.
She get audio of 5 years ago. Okay, you get audio of 5 years. Why you got to say? Me not go get audio of your own last year here, April. You say, okay, you get our audio for, you get me people audio for 5 years. You get our own. Okay, now, why you got to say me not go get your own when it happened last year? When your people call tell you, say, Vera, not get audio. Call disgrace Vera. Call fuck her. Call life for her head. So, who give you, what to give you that audacity to think? I don't have your audio to show in public. Because you were thinking she not get. You want to call life for my head. I use 90 times. I do this. I do that. So you got to say me not get. Now you sabi buy so to keep people record for 5 years. Person not get your own. If person play your own and lie. But if you play person your own, not truth. Ola yeah, what damn it all. What that me oh?
Anybody apart from today where I see say Vera they cry. Vera, wait till I want to tell you. Please let go of it. Please. Forgive her. If you they wait when she forgive you. Or you no go forgive her. The thing no go finish for ground.
Hey!
When they talk her.
Hey! Mona yell. Nah lie. When I hear what she tells so, ain't forgive her. Make it God forgive me. If you see say I did live video, she go see come. If you see say I did live video or she did, you go see throw away the word. Bah! I go bring the video when she do about 2-3 video. When she dey talk about Sarah. When you say, hey, now your name is called the mention now. Now because you not follow, not mind no more, not listen to Rambo, I say, hey, I get sick away. Yeah, I'll go trim her. I'll go trim her brick home. This one is best when they form advice, so whereas, oh, go ta.
Social media, they fight.
Hey.
Join one gang. Sarah, they think say you they one gang. You no say the gang. When if he say you they like be freedom gang. We know they cage anybody.
Hey.
Like Sarah now if he see true to me, talk now.
Hey.
All of them will day against her.
Hey.
The kind sickness where she they sick. Now that sickness of I can't stay alone.
Hey!
They just do bragado for social media. All of them, they are sick of that kind of being alone, being truthful. Like Vera, you are truthful, you stay.
My people, una the year he say me, where me they not truthful. In shock. So now me not that truthful. Wa beg me. Una yeah. Ha! You reach to banish come off for this social media. Pata. I want on live video, do your live video for our banish you. Ugugbe. I want mu like ha. I want who ya wa ya sa. I your way ya bolo egbe ya. Share this video. This is super story. Wow, homie. Una yeah. Evil. Wow. Hey, Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Una here, I be make I repeat her. If it repeat and more.
Vera, you forgive her.
Hey.
Either you forgive her.
Mona the yeah. Share this video.
Do your own.
Share.
Do as if you don't know Sarah.
Hey.
You forgive Sarah.
Share.
Let her be your casual sister again.
Hey.
Leave her. Do you?
I don't feel hold on. Me hold on. Me ma die now.
Hey.
Too wrong cannot make right.
No, but I said, oh, I can't go.
In the past,
Oh, I go.
I don't betray her in any way.
That's I
Because
can't
she
go.
knows, say, I get her audio.
Hey.
I don't betray her. Even audio of 5 years ago, I they get them not to talk or say that own way just be like yesterday for you.
Hey.
But I've never played.
Let me talk and go front.
I've never said this to anybody apart from.
Why are you not saying it on my wall? Who not call you? Why are you not saying it on my wall? I get you when I call you for my live video. Say you must come talk. I get come where? Don't who can't call you? Me call you. Because if you tell your people say I de coco, I even go to a procon when they not send me or forgive me of your man. Who ma call me? Share guys. Met it tell them where.
Which I want to tell you.
Hey.
Please let go of it. Please.
Hey.
Forgive her. If you they wait, when she forgive you.
Hey.
Or you no go forgive her. The thing no go finish for ground.
Hey.
Yeah, always they talk her. Una be sisters. If they pay me.
Hey.
Who use social media they fight.
Hey.
Sarah join one gang. Sarah they feel say you they one gang. You no say the gang. When if he say you they like be freedom gang. You know they cage anybody. Like Sarah now, Sarah no fit see truth to me talk am. And all of them will be against her.
Una de yera. Now freedom gang na gang where for the third truth. And you say me not get any gang when me did that. But when time a video where me any gang in meje. So I come suddenly now become a gang. I come now because the third truth. And I come now, I can't become a liar again. Should you say when me there with you, me the third truth? When me call say deal my honor, why you call say me not call the third truth? And why you call say decide when the day they not the third truth? How you call no say where the day truth not dey? Una they see manipulator. Wa beg manipulator, wa beg here. Wa beg manipulator. Una see.
The kind sickness where she dey sick, now that sickness of I can't stay alone.
Hey!
They just do bragado for social media. All of them, they are sick of that kind of being alone, being truthful. Like you now, say, Vera, you are truthful, you stay alone, you are strong. You know, they look for anybody. If you don't talk, you don't.
Hey!
I hear you, mommy.
Una de yera. I be you the drink kind.
Truth.
Oh, when we
People, when she feels say they did the same gang, they go leave her because I saw that gang be true. And it will make Sarah to sick.
Hey!
Okay, Guys, my lovely people, please, Sarah, Vera, you forgive her. Either you forgive her,
Hey!
let it go. Do your own. Do as if you don't know Sarah. Or you forgive Sarah, let her be your casual sister again.
Hey!
Forgive her. To hear.
I don't feel hold on. Me hold on. Me ma die now.
Mona the year, oh.
Cannot make right. We
Hey!
know in the past, a kid get back, or I get back to you. But I wasn't a baby like that. You understand me?
Hey!
And Anna be me way again. May I call you where? Mata mame.
Hey!
Do you have time? A very bright.
Hey! My lady, my people.
Any
When I see this place where she talk say, "Egenia call you well, one time at a mama." You know why Juju go buy you? So lucky a face still did this social media one would day. When the matter come when they even when you don't even call me. Now a fay me I call. A fay come got to ask me say, I hear your wife is for us don't call you. I can say no, you not call me. Now that one say call this call one call her. As that one call her, now she got to call me. Now if I call say don't call you, now say yes, say it's surprise. So this say not call go for not call you. She not call. Now if I call her before that one ask and say why you not go call? You don't know say na presenter. And two they be sister. That one talk her. When I got 10 years, wait here and when we hungry no bono. Oh my because he don't collect money, they go say, I know they hungry. I know the walking hungry service. Social media will not be able. Hey. Efe is still there alive. What are they talk so? Now Efe call this woman. Before she call, no say she go call me. When she still call me, she record me. Go plan for live video. Just to make all the matter worst. On that say, wanna record, wanna make the live video. He go plan for live video. After she record me, Efe not record me. Efe in a live video for talk. He go call her. As I call Efe, the thing first Efe. Efe such kind of nonsense. The why not go call you? You don't know say you be presenter. Come here, I block all those idiots when they put regent. Now they Chris. Now Efe, but Efe, you sit there alive. They hear what they talk so. I call Efe. He call ask me say, I hear you what PC for us don't call you. I can't say she not call me. She say she not. You want to say she don't know you. Family matter is supposed to call you. May hear from you first. May no ask go take John. I say not call me. Meanwhile, before me call Efe, I call one of my friends with Demu Star. That one call me call this Ayoyowa. Ayoyowa say, make that one bring 100 euro. Come. May you put that for your account. No. May you receive the alert. If you receive the alert, he don't go talk and again, he go twist the matter. She go call them aside. Now that girl tell her, say, no, they pay any money. So now money you read they collect for this matter. No wonder when they carry people matter put for head. They call guys. Oh. You don't let me pick you. You'll call back. This thing, no, as a play record. You don't let me pick you. No, sir. This one, you're hooker. This one, hooker. So, they come on. You understand me, my people? Share this video, guys. Share it. Okay, I don't know what's happening. You can call back. Oh, my lady from UK. Not that. Yeah, if you come. What are they here? Are they call my people? Hey. Hello. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my sister.
Are they live video? Sure, you know. Fine, ma.
Oh, you are live video.
Yeah, okay. You don't know. Yeah, I'm on live video. Okay. Okay, ma. Okay, all right, ma. Yeah. So, my people, now Efe call when he call when the girl call me say Make that girl put 100 euro. Make that girl tell me maybe put 100 euro for her account. Now I say, so now money they collect up and I know that we know the talk truth. You know they put, you know go tell them they put you money. Una yeah so. Now so she tell do the matter. She call nyenyena. You think say people no say you be evil. When I don't get my mind evil, when you call to say now you walk on the third person, I go take waka. I person no go take waka. Now you walk on the third person, advice. You dey give advice. Who you advice help?
Maybe Monica Lobo, I want to ask you a question. Do not open up for me.
You don't feel. You don't feel. I dey call my people.
Let the mother of you and your will be their own. So you don't expect to hear anything better from them.
Hey.
They will always hide the truth and support their own.
Hey.
So such person, either
They come here and block all those Frederick people. You know they let them take the beer.
or who have a kayo immaterial, a decision where he made it.
Yeah, of course.
Hey.
You're what when you wear it.
Hey. Hey.
But when I tell my women, I relax. But we are I'm working my yannick.
Hey.
My in the family, you want to my way if we're getting what okay. Okay?
Hey.
Ori into a reply, he almost defended me and the group in
Hey.
Okay, my darling, bye everybody. God bless you, Monica, to the world and all
Hey.
the great truth tellers.
Hey.
Richly bless you. Don't be done. Why do people hate me? Oh, why people they do like this? No, because you be truthful teller, you will be different. You are a star, says Facebook. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey. I'm a truthful teller. People will hate. But when now me could be evil person? When now could be bad person to you when it be say now the thing called the issue for body. Una the year me why everything when you talk now lie. She got they find everywhere. If you ask her why she come for this live video, mean your pattern. Now you come outside tell them say I'm not their group. Now you come outside say you not send me message. Now you come outside say when I they do and they verse you. Now you come outside say you not send me the thing they rotate you. How come now? Now yours not be now. Not be you they talk, be now your spirits they talk. Not be you they talk so. Not be you they talk so. Now you say I'm not the group, but for here now you say me the gang. For here now you say me I the gang. Me ware gang. We have a gang here now. And women that women gang in the Jeguma you not send me message. When she calls, I tell you now, just to make problem, make it day. When she enter live video, she send head. She go send the other one. She go send the other. So she tell they send all of them. But when she come on social media, she go say she not send anybody message. Please give thumbs up, guys. If you're on YouTube, please give thumbs up. Go out and call me. Please give thumbs up. Please, please. Una the year, I be not be she be that one. Not be she be that one. Yeah, so she said I'm a truthful teller. Stars on Facebook. Okay, my darling. We're on ya. Una hear when she's praising me all over everywhere. And now you say you don't send me. You don't know whether me they exist. How come now? You can't take the talk follow everywhere for here. How come? Did I call you here? They come here, I block all these threads. And they come here, I block them. I block my head, come off for you. You know, they let you not take the beer. I'm not need them. When I get out here, when I go to wash you, mama, show us that the disgrace and up and down, they pain you. Share this video, guys. When I see disgrace everywhere, it they pain you. Hey, yeah. Oh. Hey, me I they call me and see go bring on. Now we plenty of my people. Where she forgot the talk, say, Ipiki kia digba ya bu gekwe amue at the come. I go bring come here. Mona yeo. When I don't say all those things right now, she's looking for a way to change our topic and to remove us away from them. She lie, my people. Yes, share this video. Give thumbs up on YouTube. Give thumbs up. Give thumbs up on YouTube. Give thumbs up, guys. So my people, they come make I play. Then they ask her now. And now that they put right there, I know now, they, of course. Because the disgrace now done too much. The shame and disgrace is too much for them. They cannot bear it. If you block the dog, go pour another one. If you block the dog, go pour another one. If you block the dog, go pour. Mona tell una mama when on lads go do what twiry. Money cannot be her name. If una they swear say Monica go they affect all those children when you never go find their papa. All that affect him. May go do DNA and make they know the one will be Papa Wala. She is running Eta and scatter. Yes. So if you block the head, they'll go pour another. If you block the head, they'll go pour another one. So my people, Mona hear from the Aussie part, another one again. Share this video, guys. Share this video. I'll call again. Papa Wala. Look how many minutes. Whether I be this one. Okay, nice. So now, some people they say, and they call guys. Some people they say they don't know who they answer. This one when Papa Uwaila take call for a fair show, guys. When he say he don't tire about this mess up and down. And she they want to cover all the dinner when they ask her. She's running. And she don't sit down carry share. Begin they ask dinner for people hand. So now she don't want break. The man, this thing I be this. The man, so they come out for a fair show. He can't even see officer and I can't even send the movie. May the movie come outside, may go to a minute for cleaning name. Come on for this mess. This woman refused. Why a responsible woman go they run away from DNA? Many people are doing it. That means you did not trust yourself as a woman. This one when the man take call, say he ready if you need money. Because this man knows say this woman need like money. Now small money this man go give and go vandalize because I share one. No. This man knows say he like money. Then this man come out for a face. You say if you need money, go give. I'm gonna hear. Because I don't feel short. The translator give you those of you who don't understand. Una they hear this papa, this man. Now this man, Papa Wala, when he call for a fair platform, when they talk, say the man said don't tire. He said because he thought when people they give him, like say he get problem with them, he don't tire. He can say person like a fair, Rutete, B and Melissa. And people there, many people he mentioned here. Say, I beg, if you now, Mona help me for this DNA, whatever. Now the man they talk so. And if he any amount when he go cost, he not go. Any amount when he go cost, he go bring and cost. If they say make this one bring money now, oh we may go. So the man don't know say he like money well. This one the Papa will have voice so he know say he like money well. When this man be say okay, if it comes to money, I will chest it. Any amount your transport, your ticket, I will chest it. He have the money Mona here oh. Hey. Dine. Una here? He say all of the way they go, the tickets, all the bills for the D, whatever DNA, he say he go stand. He said, Bolo be go do, he no go there. Now he want send people go so that everybody I go rich and make they not still go twist her. Now this man say, people, they must send people go. Because this man know why I say make they send people go. Make they don't go change her. So that if now he picky, make they carry and call giver. The man get money. Now when no man. You know the old grower make beru why lie. Oga why think back. He say he like picky. Talk for this video. He said the picky self. Now he carbon copy. When they grow, they come. Hey! Why this man talk and now be say, make they not see go talk and say now another person get them. So that maybe people did that when they do the delay, they go pay all the bills. So that if they you make quickly run, you don't move in the emula wa. You know, say when they talk about money, he go say no money. This woman now did not want any excuse. This is the man they are attaching the boy name to. Now they talk so. This is the man they are attaching the boy name to. So the man now know that if they are going any money, he go pay, he go share down. But why any people make it there so that everybody I go rich and you know one guru. Now I made this man come outside talk. Mona yeah, share this video. Regardez. Hey. Hey, you not shoot cassava for woman TOT. You not do wenu. Una yeah he talker. He say me they use the man sample and the boy if they do one. If he can't fail. He say if he can't fail, what's as if he fail, I bet Mona call me. And in fact, he no get no time to check time. I get on a go. Oh, when what's here? Because like really, my people, woman we not vandalize, we not shook akbaraku bepu for say he medula blogata. How can you now say if you fail, what's in there? Now only Mary, mother of God. Is it only Mary, mother of God, pray for us in another Lord that amen. Only Mary will here at why no good boy. A video no my house is last year, but Bola will now only Mary you be. Namazekia yo he no hama. No baby man love yake no na wonu ya wedi and the end do me no the area lawa. Only Mary, mother of God. Ah, Jesus is Lord. Hey, he said me they go do one. When they do one, when he pass, okay. When they do one, when he fail, what's ye me? If they can't call now, he no come. I beg anything when they lie, make they use that I test it for media. This matter is so simple and clear now. That's to show that this man don't have problem. Need the instantly. Una yes, this man say no they go. He say 24/7 we did that bacha barakmai. Or we whatever you want stand by, you go your dead there. You go your dead there. Shineke na mezo kushina pata. Eri weje. Una yara. He say he go dead. They say if he not go dead there, he say anything when social media like that time. Say me they do one. That's to show this man be trying to wash her name away from this mess. No, if now you can't get picky, make it carry. If not be can't get her, so that it not be the man when you deal with for her get picky. May you go for who give you belly. We get one now when it happen now, my people. If you get to go get one when you happen for Jenny here. Oh, what soon me I hear share this video. We get called, Jerry. Hello, my lady. Hello.
My lady, good morning.
Good morning.
I just laugh after they listen to this video again. I just laugh.
Hey!
Wait, so I want to ask one question. No? Man, we're not good to bag another person's wife. You know, say this woman, a married woman, no, you not do the vagara. You go fit on say make you go do DNA. If you feel me, they call you, you go do your own.
Hey.
Picking. My people make una reason this thing, no. Now married woman with the talk of food. This man get wife, this woman get husband. If the man not shop this woman apple, you know go fit come social media. Come they talk say, make the woman with your husband go do the test. If you not pass, make they come call her, he go come go do. For what reason?
Okay. I don't know.
With this one, let me say, maybe the pikin will not be on, but you see that apple in chopper.
Hey!
He chop her because even if he not chop the apple, and this lady, this short one, her husband know. He know everything because if your husband not know anything, for another man who thought to make your wife go do DNA, if you feel me, they
call her.
If the man and man, he go ask his wife question. He go ask that man, say, come, God, what do you mean that my wife should come and call you to come and do DNA for my child? What is the meaning of that?
Hey!
Be my apple with me.
Hey! Hey!
You see these two people, in fact, I don't know the kind of words I go use for them because they be birds of the same feather. You see the man, now the man call you to pass the wife. Oh.
Hey!
Anything when the wife they do, now the man they stand up.
Hey!
Now the man they stand up because now they get fake, all the fake accounts for social
media. They say I procon enemy telephone wire. All of them, Emily J. Bogboy.
All the fake accounts. See the one when they post inside on Friday, I be on Thursday. When they post for Infinity Saga Emily J, he wife talk for the background. It not reach 3 hours, they go delete the video before they break. They can't go disactive.
Hey! Oh, network. Una de yera.
People already watched that video. 1 or 2 people already watched that video. Why not leave the video when they say they bully Vera, Rita, and Lolo? They put music for their wife talk for the background. Small I go activate their accounts. Later I activate them again, can't remove the video.
Hey!
You see these 2 people, God no go forgive you now. Because problem with this social media now, na be the genesis.
Hey!
Now the genesis, make una they shame this una pikin name wey they wrote for social media.
Media!
Try una best to remove the pikin name.
Can you imagine?
Anything when una go fit do to say remove this pikin name, make una try una best to remove am.
Hey!
Anyway, e no fit pay meal because they still dey bully people children.
Hey!
They still dey bully people children. If they carry person children, come use fake accounts they publish person children wey dey for Nigeria. Your own way dey for Europe for a year, wey be get pay dey with am for Europe. They go do Bob Marley, they'll carry am for 3 months.
Hey!
Their mama go come so live video every day, they change reform. But your own pikin wey be gay, you go do Bob Marley for you go live am for 3 months. People dey when they do people dey wey get children, wey get so they dey see una.
Hey! God
You go
bless
see shop before they call the bully person. See children, if they do Bob Marley, the Bob Marley, you don't say person do Bob Marley, the Bob Marley don't pass from month. Yeah, go go and get of bankroll for.
Yeah, for down. Yes, my lady. Hey.
Those children, Bob Marley where they do the pass, they go do more than 3 months now. Who get I know what I they talk.
Hey!
Who they do know what I they talk.
Una de sia.
If the mama walk on live video, you go wear different with body. Get at the cost person not the wear better with more.
Hey!
Children, you go give them better with more. I mean they never mature.
Okay. Those children, some men don't they wear you my better hair.
They're not the biggest. They are mates that they wear human hair for abroad now. People get children now because their children, they're not the social media.
Hey!
You still get mass the cost person children when they for Nigeria. You not get too much for Larry Grant for Nigeria before we call this Europe.
Hey!
Oshomole we rule Benin so. Oshomole we rule Edo State. Oshomole not petals do for Benin.
Fabi Taylor, Abripa. Hey,
You
Jesus.
dey cause that the children say person never fit take care of the pikin for Nigeria. Your own way dey with you for a year. As you see,
Better clothes said they don't get.
All the human, you know people better with work for your children. You dey allow them they carry one attachment for money for 3 months, but if you do your own 2 days, 3 days, you go.
Even both they carry the go salou, my lady. You have get moi je salou. Oga gbaliyan eva because you don't want to pay money.
You don't want to pay money now.
You know different style of Bob Marley, different style of hair when they play for salou. Or I get few moi je salou no me yet. Or like mama jiya who the yaba. We follow the same way they do. Sheep for line. You the feast and by yourself. You don't feel do better, short, fine one. Give them. What beg
give the children now. Well, I don't see better we work. Well, I don't see we work for the children once. Okay. Maybe after this video now, because the day, maybe after this, I will start to hear the children better we work. If something like that, mom, I go look at it.
Not true to the talk.
It go reach 3 months. It go get undergrowth before they
loser. They all matured girls.
And the girls, they be matured girls now. Their mates, they wear better with one now. Many people where they view them, so they get children where don't grow rich on those girls, especially they wear better with one.
Oh my God. You know they see some small children, 8 years, 11, 15 years, 14, 13 years. Fake life, how can you wear social media?
That fake life now she they live, forget all this where she they do. Everything about that is fake.
Not be making not forgive our friend today. Not be making not forgive our friend. Say our friend can't open and yash about fake life.
That fake life,
Hey, Jesus is Lord. Network, not fuck up. Will they hear you? Hello, network.
I see maybe from now on, if you don't watch this video finish, you go start to hear children better with her. You go start to do their hair every 2 weeks because they be matured girls. Before you bully best children within Nigeria, the one way they with you for year will be girls. Take good care of them. Put better good for their ear. Put better good for their
God bless you. After many years, when it's on their phone, say that they abroad, they get money. And they all get money, they complain. All get money on the social media, they talk. Better God. If he get how much more better, if one way children want.
Who better God for their ear? Person see there, they go not say person see there. Maybe their skin they blink. Forget all this your whole life. When you be say your children of how many years they don't they get mucus, black mucus for her.
You know they bleach there, they give that carrot white.
Your children they don't they get mucus for her. Their mucus not the black. When they never even reach 20 years, they come out to you. They take cheap for her. You they sit there for your eye. You.
Hey.
I beg you, leave that one. You and your husband don't know where they pin them.
Hey.
No time, my lady.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Can call in my people. Thank you. Hey, Oga kulukuli. Hey, pa kulukuli. Before another person go come over. Another person will come. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. I did live video for Facebook. Oh, sure you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you took me for the watch you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I want to talk about this our sister Monica.
They hear you.
Not be by this one where they say 2 weeks. Children for Europe. Not make many of them not they see that they collect children for their hand. For my own, no, not be another. I want to talk my own. Children for Europe, not doing supposed to carry attachment to go tango hair. According to this, where our assistant is now. Because they're not near me when I tell you whether I am. Many of our people they do this thing. Where we say this Monica they do. They could hair go come tango. Their attachment go tango baby hair. Hey. Not be like that.
Hey.
If you not fit do carry better, sit down, lose the hair.
Your packer.
Wash her, you packer.
It's better. Use packer, take packer, leave for is good.
Use different packer.
Take packer.
Not too cost. If you go free for go this store now, German people store. Sometimes €7.
She €5 day. As your rich. Yeah.
That's the one rich. So you put according to that, you packer. If you pack, you come and go wash her for a packer. Not be saying only this Monica they do this. Many of our people they do this kind of a thing. Which is tomorrow they'll cry come out. I don't know what I do government. What I do government. More than stop all these things. Not be by with us. like my children are natural hair that they carry. It's natural and I mean they do my children.
No, like our own, now they talk like small children, natural hair or wool or attachment, but like this our own, now they don't mature. You understand? They don't mature, they don't grow from 14, 13, 12 years, they don't mature. Like 3, 5, 6, 7 years. It's still good for all those kind of packing, use this tape packer or weaver, that one good. But like normal, like they don't they grow mature now. Better human hair day. The one for weaver or fixing or different one, different hair, they even weave you when they go kind of go salon like bigger, they don't be bigger. So like this, you are our own and a small one. You need to pack her with packer. You understand? Wash her, use attachments.
Yeah. Like people don't say get don't see mature. That's the way person did school for Africa. Not be weaving many people they.
But for this abroad, they get as it be now. So children go say they not go see green. You don't know. Like those one now what they talk like this is 2 daughters now. You sure that one go green with all back for your head. We the carry on because we don't feel they used to run before. But people we bought for abroad there, many not go green. They'll say their mates go they laugh there for school say their hair be like coconut.
Maintain the children.
Yeah.
Then they do this thing. They need to maintain the children. I'm not the person that buy expensive clothes.
No, it doesn't mean. I'm a mini.
So you maintain the
Thumbs up, guys.
The children because this is where all of them they do now. Now nonsense all of them. Many of them they do. No college, knowledge. Many of them they do.
Yeah.
You just sit there now tomorrow they just come up for social media, rub a pancake, put this thing. They do like they wait they choke this thing. But when they bring the children come out, I don't know what I want to call them. I don't know what I want to call the children. You the bring children come out, they show up at waiting, at where you know say you not meditate. You know, I'm not saying anything where you want show say as an example. Say this one I say they advise some people where get more.
Can you imagine? Picky when they carry come outside. We shall not now that one will not change our topic, my lady. Now you know the one where they talk now about the DNA now will day after for you, my lady. Thank you.
What I want to say that for all this kind of nonsense, fake like all of them. They
good now. They go here, my sister. No problem.
Everybody get shit for inside for
the worst part now, they are all good. Another person is not good. If you talk, they'll say.
People like that Monica with Lolo. Make I just talk the truth. Make they hear me, and maybe they will know my voice. I don't even like them. Right for time, although not 2 of them, I don't like them. 2 of them. Because they feel like vampire. Now, when the thing don't vampire for 2 of them, I'm like, this one they thought, this one they thought.
Yeah.
2 of them, I don't like them.
Yeah.
Because they scatter, I think that way they Instagram away there where they call Lolo. I don't even like her right for that. All of them, they do like who knows the shit. Where they say the shit nice never. Not be by your makeup. That be the thing. They'll just tell social media they disgrace themselves. Only what I sit happy for you, my sister. I don't feel like 100% when I hear her. Now that your sister where you are in settle.
Yeah, of course.
I stay happy 100%. I stay happy because I'm not feel they carry my own sister. Come out, the God bless that they use your sister, they fight you.
Yeah.
Fight your sister. They take on and they laugh.
Of course.
What do we do for her? We're not supposed to
come outside. The worst part, they had their own. Their own, they smell, they eye down.
Nobody will pleasure they not get problem for home.
Hey.
Me as a child, I not feel can't say they tell me like people that I not I not feel cover my own because nobody will not get problem when me and sister not get problem. But all of them not get the chicken to wash. When they go inside go wash her before they come out for this social media they advise people.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yes, ma.
Okay.
All right, ma. So my people, I dey come o make I. So now that one play reach for this thing because he talk another thing about another person. I don't want to play that one. So my people, show una dey hear am. Una hear so. Now so it be. Another man come outside the ask you today. When woman boyage you cut to. Una lero na ofeno like you call they disgrace yourself up and down. Like really get we amue. Let's shame they cash you. Get we mue. Now they are still waiting for you now. You the wrong. Then they wait for you. Look, my people. Una know why this woman not go fit go court. Mona call you another matter, the latest in town. This woman, they say she come outside on live video. He said me to the carry body, me the former down. You know the life person when the former. They were all loud back to a walking out move. He said no, that put the former down, me the former down. So you want to sit down for everybody heads. You are both fear. My people, when I know why this woman not go fit go big house, she can't come outside. They talk about Destiny Bagwa cassava. Say if you see Destiny Bagwa cassava like this, it be or free cent. Day for yesterday, be yesterday, day for yesterday, I think. Say Destiny Bagwa broko, it big past the cassava when the cassava be like this. He can say he on picky cassava war. He say picky would. Whether the tournament go bring the next day come. He say if you see cassava, so you, as that boy still grow rich, you see they see that picky cassava. This your own sickness. So as that your boy your grow rich, you see they see cassava. As he big rich, as he small rich, as he long. Oh, we got make cure you wait on you. Whoa. So like that record, how do you feel? You go say you want carry person go court. Do you know the meaning of that thing you just display on social media? Do you know what you do for that picky body? And more that they describe how a picky cassava be for social media. Because that means they say parabola disorder they worry you. And 2 years, 3 years, can you come out and they describe how a cassava be talking of some boys don't get girlfriend when they say they shook out for a TOT. He met. They don't they carry small girlfriend they call us. Now you they describe for social media say it cassava like this, it make long. No. Now you say you want carry woman go say talk to your picky. Okay, that one you perform on social media.